so this is the hair. We're done with the hair. You guys can see how nice it looks. It has a nice shine. The length is, I can't remember what the length is, but this 14. Is what 14, yeah, 14 inches. And so this is what it looks like. It's spiral curls, yeah. So it has locks in it, and then it has a spiral thing coming out of it. It's different shades, and this hair my friend has been using. She gets the same hair all the time from our Amazon page, and it's such a beautiful hair. You guys see, you see how beautiful it is, and she always gets compliments. Don't you get compliments
all the time? And I just love my compliments and my hair.
Yeah, so she gets compliments all the time. So this is how we wore it. So she wears it like this. So we have like a bang. You guys saw the pattern. You can go watch the live.
Each lock has a spiral curl on it.
Exactly. So each lock has 1 or 2 spiral curls. So you guys can see it right here.
In addition to that.
Yeah, and look at that. And it has that, and it's so
in addition to that, it has a attached spiral curl.
Yeah, it has attached spiral curl to it. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. Sorry, we have a baby in the background. It's okay. The baby wants to go live. So, but you guys can see it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And yeah, so this is... Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. But this is it. And it's... So I did a part. You guys can see the part. I did a part right over here so that it cascades down like that. And yeah, so I love it. I think this is absolutely beautiful and so youthful, and it's very light. That's another thing. So people might wonder, oh, how heavy is this? It's not heavy at all. It's very light. It doesn't have that smell, you know. It doesn't have that smell at all. So the brand again is on our Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/Discovery Natural, and this is the brand name. This is not a sponsored video. This hair was bought. So this is not sponsored. The brand doesn't even know I'm doing this, but I just want to show you guys how amazing this hair is. And yeah, this is my 4th time using it on my friend's hair. So thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.